Hey guys, what's up? This is Arijit. You guys must be doing well, and also you guys must be following the rules and regulation issued by ICMR. This is very important nowadays. Do follow it very seriously. And today's session, we are going to learn something very interesting in a very innovative way. All right. So without further introduction, let me begin. And we are going to New Delhi. All right. So this is where we are going in Qutub Minar complex. Yes, yes, yes. And here you go. We are here. So let me zoom in for you. Let me make it a little bit more clear. All right. So this is Alai Darwaza and this is Qutub Minar, and this whole complex is called Qutub Minar complex. In Qutub Minar complex, there are many monuments, iconic monuments are there. There are Qutub Minar, there are Alai Darwaza, there are Quoth ul Islam Mosque, there are Iron Pillar, and there are several other things. So let me cover it one by one. All right, in a very interesting way. You guys are going to love it. All right. So now let me take you there. All right. Let me take you there. Let me load street view, and here you go. Here you go. Here we are right now. Here we are in front of Alai Darwaza. Spectacular, isn't it? And this is the one of the first architecture in which Islamic architectural principles are included. So this is very important from exam purpose and exam point of view. You can say it, and it was built entirely of red sandstone, right? And it was built by Alauddin Khilji in the year of 1311, and this was built by Alauddin Khilji, and Khilji was the ruler of Khilji dynasty of Delhi Sultanate, which ruled from India from 1290 to 1320. All right, so this is the main gate from the southern side of Quoth ul Islam Mosque, right? And in the backdrop of it, you can see Qutub Minar. And let me take you to Qutub Minar. All right, this will be very very interesting. Let me take you to Qutub Minar. Let me take you to Qutub Minar. All right, this is Google Street View image, and here you go. We are in front of Qutub Minar. All right, so this is Qutub Minar. This is Qutub Minar. This is five-story Qutub Minar. As you can see, this is the basement, and this is one, two, three, four, and five. All right, and this Qutub Minar. Qutub means victory, and Minar means tower. So Qutub Minar stands for Victory Tower. It was built by Qutubuddin Aibak. And why it is Victory Tower? Why Qutub Minar? Because in the year of 1192, Muhammad Ghori defeated Rajput king Prithviraj Chauhan in the Second Battle of the Rhine, and that founded the stone of Islamic rule in India. All right, and Muhammad Ghori left Qutubuddin Aibak in India as his viceroy, and Qutubuddin Aibak built it. And this Qutub Minar was named after the religious Sufi saint Khaja Qutubuddin Bakhtiar Kaki. And Qutub Minar, the Qutub stands for Qutubuddin Bakhtiar Kaki, right? And it was built by Qutubuddin Aibak. So often we do mistake by thinking that Qutub Minar, that Qutub stands for Qutubuddin Aibak, but no, Qutub stands for religious Sufi saint Khaja Qutubuddin Bakhtiar Kaki. All right, and there's a history behind it. And the Qutub Minar has five-story. All right, and this five-story was built by several rulers in several time. So let us look into that first. And to make it very clear for you, let me draw it. And as you can see, this is the first story. All right, this first story was built by Qutubuddin Aibak. All right, in the year of 1199. So Qutubuddin Aibak built this first story in the year of 1199, and that was which which is here, the second one is here, and the second one was built by Iltutmish. This one was built by Iltutmish. All right. After Kutubuddin Aibak, his successor Iltutmish sat on the throne, and he built the second third and fourth story. All right, so this one and also this one and also this one, this was built by Iltutmish. And after that, Iltutmish completed it. And there are further story behind it. That's not the end, of course. That's not the end. uh, as you can see, there are fifth one is there. Fifth one is still there. This is the fifth one. This is the fifth one, and this fifth one was built by Firoz Shah Tughlaq. All right, and in the year of 1369, due to the strike of lightning, right, that fourth story was destroyed, and Firoz Shah Tughlaq reconstructed the fourth one, and also he added one further one that makes the Qutub Minar total five. This is the fifth, fourth, third, second, and first. And you must have understood by now that this five story was built several times by several rulers. All right. On this image, this is the Qutub Minar complex. As I already told you, here we have many things to learn, many things to observe. So let me do it for you. And this is the boundary. All right, this is here we have already learned about Qutub Minar, about Alai Darwaza, and let us take you to Quwwatul Islam Mosque. All right, so let us be there. So let us be there at Quwwatul Islam Mosque. Yes, here you go. As you can see, this is pinpointing at the red bar. This is the Quwwatul Islam Mosque, and this mosque was first constructed by Qutbuddin Aibak, who was the deputy, or you may say viceroy, of Muhammad Ghori when Muhammad Ghori defeated Prithviraj Chauhan, Rajput ruler, in the second battle of the Rhine, which established or founded the founding stone of Muslim rule in India, that later on started Delhi Sultanate and all. This Quwwatul Islam Masjid was built by Qutbuddin Aibak. He also built another masjid in Ajmer, that is Alauddin Ka Jhopra. It is said that Quwwatul Islam Mosque, this mosque, was constructed by demolishing 27 Jain and Hindu temples that was earlier there. All right, there's an inscription in Qutub Minar. From that, this is known. Now, we will be exploring several other things in this Qutub Minar complex. All right, and here we have also iron pillar to learn. Iron pillar. So let us take you to iron pillar here. All these things are in Qutub Minar complex only. All right, so this is iron pillar. As you can see, this is iron pillar. So here we have earlier the Quwwatul Islam Mosque, and here you are seeing the iron pillar at this moment. This was Quwwatul Islam Mosque. This is iron pillar. This is the Qutub Minar, and this is the Alai Darwaza. All right, let me tell you something about iron pillar. This is very, very interesting and also very important from exam point of view. What you are seeing on screen is the image of iron pillar. This is 7.2 meter in height and 16 inches in diameter. This was constructed by King Chandra. All right, as per some historians, King Chandra is none other than Chandragupta II, who is the son of Samudragupta and the grandson of Chandragupta I. Right, Chandragupta I was the true founder of Gupta dynasty, and this iron pillar has attracted the attention of many archaeologists and material scientists from all over the world because of its incredible rust resistance features. All right, its weight is 3,000 ton, right? 3,000 kg and 3 ton. All right, I'm sorry, 3,000 kg and 3 ton. All right, so this little bit about iron pillar. And now it has this area, Qutub Minar complex, has a great cultural aspect too. All right, in the year of November and December, Qutub festival is organized in this complex. Qutub festival is organized, and in this festival, many artists, musicians, dancers from all over the India attend and they perform. And that's all about it. Hope you liked it and enjoyed it. All right. Thank you. Take care. Goodbye.